For the first one, we got it here, Spiderco. Cannot pronounce that for sure. So what's so unique about that? Look at that. Spiderco pretty awesome with the signature hole right here. But look at that. Oversized handle, but it's perfect for my hand. And I really like the shape of a blade pointing down. Kind of unique. Would be pretty fun to open in boxes. I don't know. Just one of a kind. It is a back lock, so you grab it like this and lock it. But look how easy it is to open it. So I guess I could hold it this way for extension, or hold it closer with the thumb rest and the back head here. That's so cool. I really enjoy that. That's a really nice design. It is definitely not a flipper, but super easy to open, as you can see. This one is around $200. Next one is very affordable. Opanal, like, I don't know, maybe like $23. So usually you'd buy one of these, number 8 in this case, folded knife, and everybody love them. It's high quality, very affordable. You see that lock is nice. It's perfect for camping. So whenever you fold this up, now you have a kit like this. So how does this go? It goes like into here, and then we're gonna twist it for the lock. Oh wow, it sits in there tight. What an awesome design. A really good high quality deep teaspoon. So untwist that, take this out, and then you got right here the fork. You know what, this might be the best camping set I've ever seen. You see number 8, there's a fork. And if you have 2 Opanal knives, you can have fork and a knife, or you can use a fork, take out from a second knife, and have fork and a knife for steak at the same time. So that's pretty unique. Comes with a little holder like this to put all your fork and a knife in there. Does it lock in? Yeah, there's a little lock. This one gonna go into here. You have right here a little fork and knife set. That is cool. Wow. By far the best camping set I ever seen, and at the same time high quality, very strong materials. Then of course this right here, Sakoma Elite Tactical Full Serrated, and this one is manual. These things sells out pretty much instantly. People sell them on eBay for double the price whenever they buy it for whatever, $350, give it or take it. Sometimes you can get them for around $400 on eBay, but this one is full serrated. This is quite nice. Microtech Sakoma Elite. Check this out. So this one's a really popular. Look at that kick. So much fun. Full serrated will be hard to find. This one 11,413 serial number. Do you guys like serrated knives? Look at that, serrated here and regular right here. Then we have right here CKF Custom Knife Factory. This one a blind knife. This one just came out. There is a designer name, M390, and there is a handle material and hashtags. The serial number 204, and as you can see, it's a really new one. So let's open it. I seen a lot of sablers for sale, but I did not see this right here, T-Mascus clip. What it is 2 different type of titanium, and then they kind of fold it and then heat it up, and they heat up in a different color. This is what I understand, but not really sure. White gold sabler, because from a translation it means a sword. Looks like there's a T-Mascus bolt over here as well. It looks like a sword, feels like a sword, looks like carbon fiber right here too. It feels like high quality. I really enjoy that. Wow. There's a logo, CKF Custom Knife Factory, and there's a bunch of different designers. They do a lot of collaborations. With this ones you kind of have to watch out. I guess whenever you open it, keep your finger closer here so it'll stop. You see how smooth that is? It's incredible. This is cool. Kind of a frame lock. Yeah, it's cool. Do you see that smoothness? I love CKF knives. And obviously this one is super hard to find, completely sold out. This one 440 serial number. The designer is right here, the name, whatever, all this other information. Let's see what's inside. These ones are incredibly popular, and they sell for like $1,000. There is some that is different materials, cheaper and more expensive. This one I paid for around $800, but on eBay I see people are selling for $1,200. So they go up in value as soon as you buy them. And it's funny, if you missed it, you might have to buy it from eBay, and a lot of people do who enjoy this kind of stuff. This looks like a cleaver. It's a really big knife. Guess you'd hold it this way. Where is the balance? Balance would be right here. That's nice. Wow, so thick. It's nice. Yeah, high quality knife. Whenever you close it right here, you gotta be careful with these ones. They very smooth, so you kind of want to close them with two hands. You see? But yeah, there's a little bolt right here. Looks like Damascus. There's another logo of a designer, M390 440 serial number. Beautiful clip. Look at that. Perfection. That knife is really hard to get to. So this is why they are next level knives. Boom. Good idea, SUG knives and tools, everyday carry gadgets right here. This one is Rapid Rescue and this is Rapid Edge. So let's unbox it and see what's about. First edition packaging over here. Hopefully I can open it without cutting the actual product. I prefer whenever they put it in a box, but oh well. So there is instruction, just grab and pull. So grab it right here and pull. Wow, beautiful. You know, it's crazy. This is actually quite comfortable. If I need to open up boxes, break apart boxes, that's nice. And also, I would put on maybe my bag out bag or maybe on my keychain. It shouldn't come off really easily. You actually have to pull on it quite hard. So that could be a pretty cool keychain gadget as well. So let's see what's the difference with this one. It's a little bit different. Okay, same thing. I really like the color of it. Oh wow, there's a window breaker. This one doesn't have a window breaker. So this one is a little bit cooler, I think. This is a Rapid Rescue. Just pull on it. Oh wow. This one was a bit easier to pull open. I don't know if it's a consistency reason or just because there's just different little bit design. Yeah, this one is definitely much harder to pull on. Okay. As you can see, this one is like a Rapid Rescue. Maybe you have it on your, I don't know, somewhere in the car, so that way you can take it off real quickly and break the seat belt or whatever. This is why there is no sharp edges unless it's on the inside right here. That's what it's called. And I guess you grab it this way and break the window. That's pretty cool. I would maybe hang it somewhere in the car or wherever, like maybe on the keychain as well. I like that. Just two very unique different tool set here. Both super cool. I enjoy whenever they make new stuff. Boom. There's also different colors. I don't know, for some reason I picked red. Thought it was looking good on black.